Hello guys, my name is Leah and today I'll be discussing accountability court. My main topic is mental health. So what is mental health? Mental health include emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how you think, feel, and act. So some example of mental illness would be anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, personality disorder, eating disorder, etc. Some sign of mental health issue consists of eating or sleeping too much or too little, having no or having low or no energy, feeling numb or nothing matters, smoking much, drinking, feeling unusual. You keeping away from people. You don't want to be bothered. So how does this connect psychologically? I think once you have a mental health issue and you go to like an accountability court, you get counseling, you go through the process, they help you get back on track. Um, like for example, you may have bipolar depression, and then you just keep away from people to help you navigate through that, and help you get back to your family and all sort of stuff. Please join me as I interview a few students from Clark Atlanta University on this topic. Hope you guys enjoy. To my little broadcast, my name is Leah, and this is
Khadijah Elder.
Brittany Hines.
Kiera Smith.
okay. All right, so I just have a few questions. What do you think mental health is?
Mental health is when your mental state isn't the abnormal. Like if you have schizophrenia, if you have anxiety, if you're bipolar, so mental health is issues like that.
Mental health is psychological. It has to do with just how your brain processes information or how you do things.
So would that be considered? Oh, you can answer.
I think mental health is like behavior that's not normal. That's my answer.
I think it's just the understanding of, like she said, what is the norm of being and what your thinking process is and whether it's a negative or a positive aspect.
So like someone with mental health is not considered normal.
It depends. Yeah. It depends because you can have, I guess, like she said, positive, like normal or whatever the status quo of normal is, or be abnormal, like somebody with autism or somebody who has a learning disability. That could be a negative mental health.
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, like I committed a crime, I would get put in jail. But if somebody with mental health issue committed a crime, they go to counseling. So do you think that's an advantage or disadvantage of having a mental health issue? What do you think?
I would say both because it really depends on the person, because some people really can't help themselves. Like the way that they process information may be different than how we process information. We can look at something and know the difference of, they may not. So it's like, I feel like that's a positive and there's a negative, because somebody who may have a disability may use it to their advantage so they could kind of get away with things. So
What do you think?
Me, I think it's an advantage, like if you're normal and you don't have mental health and you blame it on mental health, but it can also be a disadvantage if you do have a mental health problem, but you just sent to jail instead of a place to get the proper treatment or help.
What do you think?
I think as far as like advantage and disadvantage, it can be like seen as either a mythological norm or a mythological advantage, because for the person, they probably would rather not have acted out in that way due to their thinking. So that's a disadvantage for them, but us as society looking on the outside or, witnessing what they're going through, like, okay, that's a positive for them because they can easily get off just by claiming insanity.
It has its pros and cons. The advantage is, like, let's say if they do something, they get kind of like a slap on their wrist, like, oh, they have mental issues, so they can't get in trouble as much because like they're not really having control of their So, but the disadvantage is that they get bullied a lot in school in the world where like people don't want to work with them because of their mental.
So last question. So how would you help somebody with mental health?
I don't like to say to put them on medication right now. I say like counsel them like talk to them, see where their mind is, because like they could be an intelligent person, you would never know. But if that doesn't work out, then there's always medication. But medication can only be effective if they stay on it and they constantly take it, not just take it.
First, I will understand what their mental health issue is, so that I can like properly, like I don't say treat them, but like properly like help them. Like if they need help learning whatever, know the proper techniques of how to teach them certain things, or how to make sure there's nothing that will confuse them or things like that. So it's like it all starts with just knowledge before you can even act.
I think I would find different resources that can help them, and also be like a support system for them to help them.
Yeah, and I agree with Khadijah. First, in order for me to help you, I have to understand exactly, what the issue is. So basically, first just educating myself and you on what's going on.
Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Give a thumbs up, leave comments, and yeah.